Hi there, Alex Jimenez, Patterson Dental, Indianapolis, and today I want to talk to you about this new Kerr Demi Pro curing light. As a lot of you know, Kerr's had a long history of making great curing lights with under the Demi line. Previously to this, the Demi Pro was the Demi Plus that had a very long track record, very good, durable light. This light is a different concept from them. So instead of having the angled tip that comes out, it is a 90 degree, which you're finding a lot of people like that 90 degree access. It's made out of metal, it's very durable, but also lightweight. Additionally, it has very easy to change batteries, and you actually get two batteries when you purchase this. And I don't know if you noticed this, but in the battery, there's this little notch. So that means that when you put it on the counter, it's not gonna roll over, okay? So as far as modes go, you have your standard mode that's either 5 or 10 seconds. And then you have a high output mode that's either 1, 3, or 5 seconds, because what we're finding now is there's certain composites out there that can cure very quickly. The other thing that's important to see here is, let me get this back to the regular mode here, is I don't know if you can see this in the video, but some of these lights are violet, not only blue light. And why that's important, there's only a couple lights on the market now that do have the blue and the violet light, because certain dental materials cure better under violet light than they do under blue. So what this means with this light is it doesn't matter what dental material you have, it's going to cure it well. So in addition to the regular standard mode and high output mode, you also have this mode called ortho, and it's 3 3-second cures. So you just turn it on, it goes for 3 seconds, turns off, goes for another 3 seconds. You could also use this for tack curing around a crown in that mode too. And the last mode it has is this mode called diagnosis mode. This is very cool. This tip comes off, and it actually has another tip that's smaller, very, very small, and it is a transilluminator tip. So what's cool about this now is it turns on, it's just a white light, and now you can go and look for those craze, crack lines, maybe some interproximal caries. I'd like to see what else they do with this. Maybe they'll have other tips in the future that you could interchange. One thing that's good to see here too is the base. I will tell you that I feel that this is a really nice base. It's durable, it's heavy, it's not gonna knock over, and it has space for your transilluminator tip, the curing light to charge, and the battery. This one's charging, this one's fully charged. Additionally, it has a, let me get it into cure mode here. It has a radiometer, so you can make sure that you can see how that's blue there. It's testing well. It has two modes, so it has for standard mode, and then it also has a radiometer built for your high output mode, so you can make sure, you can see the other ones lighting up now, so you can make sure that you're getting the proper cures. You could test it regularly. This comes with a 3-year warranty, which is very, very nice. So if you're interested in seeing this in person, please contact your Patterson Dental rep or your Kerr rep to see more.